Hello, Fleur Allen here from Ask Fleur. I'm a business success coach. My business you can find on at askfleur.com, or if you're here on my YouTube channel, you can find me here. So you've already found me. This is step 9. This video is focusing on step 9 of my 10 steps of how to double your revenue, and I call this resource Next Level Success. It's a free PDF that you can get from my website, so make sure you've grabbed a copy and let's get stuck in. So this is one of my favorite steps. Take daily action. You must take action to achieve what you want to achieve. To get from where you are to where you want to be, you must take regular action. It doesn't matter how small it is every single day, just to take action. Just take daily action. Use the rule of 5 strategy. So this is success principle number 23 from the book The Success Principles by Jack Canfield that I base a lot of my training on. And the reason why I do that is because he's a billionaire and he's trained many millionaires and billionaires. So this stuff works. And I've also been using it and implementing it in my own life since 2009, I think it is. The rule of 5 is simple. It's simply commit to taking 5 specific actions every day that contribute to your breakthrough goal or your revenue goal, which is probably what you've chosen here. These actions could include follow-ups, outreach, or client check-ins. This is often where all the best plans and intentions fall down when there is not consistent action. A disciplined approach is required. The purpose and vision you set in step 2 is the fuel to keep your motivation burning brightly. So if you remember, I said to you, your purpose will keep you going even in the days where you don't have the motivation. So remaining focused on your end result, what you want to achieve ultimately in the end, needs to be at the top of mind, no matter your level of motivation each day. So identify 5 things you can take right now to move you closer to your breakthrough goal, to achieve your revenue goal. It can be something like do 5 follow-up calls every single day, or to send out 5 prospecting letters, or it can be do media for 5 different outlets, whatever it might be. Decide what's relevant and appropriate for what you're trying to achieve. Just make sure you're taking daily action. This is the key to success. Track these actions to ensure consistency in progress. And if the actions are including a follow-up, or if in your business you don't have a follow-up system to your inquiries or to your quotes, then you must implement one and you must take action on that, and you will increase your success on a transformational level. Have a think, write it down. So have a think about it, write it down. We're almost there. I'm so excited. We'll see you over at step 10.